divide 3x cubed minus x squared minus 8x plus 6 by x minus 3. We are using long division for this. First of all, when you arrange like this, you take this one to this side and then you carry this one and put inside. 3x cubed divided by x. 1x here will cancel this one. You have 3x squared. 3x squared times this x is 3x cubed. Then 3x squared times minus 1. This is minus 3x squared. Then you put minus here. This minus this. This minus this will go. So minus x squared minus 3x squared. This is minus x squared plus 3x squared. That is 2x squared. You take this one down, minus 8x plus 6. You go again. 2x squared divided by x. 1x will cancel. Remember, this place is plus. This is plus 2x. 2x times x. This is 2x squared. 2x squared. Then 2x times minus 1. Minus 2x. And you put minus again. This minus this, of course, it will go. Then minus plus. Minus times this minus is plus. That is minus 8x plus 2x. You have minus 6x. You take this plus 6 down. Minus 6x divided by x is minus 6. This x will cancel this x. You have minus 6. Minus 6 times x. This is minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 1. Remember, this minus is still here. Minus 6 times minus 1 is plus 6. Plus 6. You still have minus outside here. So minus 6 minus 6. This is plus 6. Minus 6 plus minus 6x plus 6x is 0. Then 6 minus plus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. This is your answer. Your answer will now be 3x squared plus 2x plus minus 6. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye for now.